How to add sound effects to Streamlabs OBS. Tossing in sound effects to Streamlabs is like adding extra flair to your show. It's all about spicing things up and giving your audience some audio surprises that'll keep them entertained and engaged. So here's how we're going to do it. So we're just going to add a new source right over here, and then we're going to add a media file. So for this time, we're going to be using some sounds. We're going to click add source. All right, and then we're just going to call this 3. We're going to have 3 there first because we're going to be using 3 as our number pad in order to activate it. I'm just going to name it laugh because laugh is what it's going to be. All right, there you go. So I'm going to be doing this one. All right, and then I'm going to be closing it. So there we have it, and then we're just going to go here. As you can see, 3 laugh. We're going to activate this one, or we're going to change the settings here. We're going to go to properties, and as you can see here, 3 laugh. We're going to be using monitor and output. There you go, and then we're going to close it. Now we're going to go to hotkeys this time. We're going to be choosing live scene, and then we're going to go here, show 3. We're going to use 3. There you go. So we're going to use 3, number pad 3 in order to activate, and 3 also to hide it. So let's try and check it this time. There you go. Isn't it funny? All right, let's try it one more time. All right, that's how it sounds. And again, congratulations. That's how you're going to add sound effects to Streamlabs OBS. And by the way, I would highly suggest to upgrade to Streamlabs Ultra to level up your streaming quality and experience. You can save up to $10 of discount right away after clicking on the link in the description box and the comment section below. As always, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave this video a like if this helps you out.